Okay, so here I'm going to start going through the in-lab portion of Lab 2, and we'll start with the blink assignment. So you can see here that my Arduino is blinking with the LED, and it's just using the example code that comes with the Arduino IDE. Continuing with the in-lab portion, I have the blink faster task, so you can see that my LED is blinking a little faster than the previous task. And that's because I was able to initialize a new variable called delay length, and I called that 200 milliseconds, and then if you go down here to our delay function, you can see that I brought delay length into that function and into this function, which causes the LED to blink on and off faster than before. And in order to make it so that you can barely tell that the LED is turning on and off, I changed my delay length to 10 milliseconds. And then upload that, and you can see that the LED to the human eye is barely blinking on and off. And this is pretty reasonable considering the fact that it's pretty well known that the human eye doesn't refresh, or it refreshes about every 16 to 17 seconds. So this is definitely a little faster than that. So here's the fade example for the Arduino. You can see that the LED is fading in and out of being on. And here's the example code here, and then if we were to adjust the brightness value to about a much larger value and upload that to the Arduino, then something I noticed is that it still does pulse a little bit, but you can barely tell that it's pulsing all that much. So increasing the brightness value or the duty cycle definitely affects how you perceive the LED pulsing on and off. Okay, so here we have number 4. This portion was the manual fade for the Arduino. So here we have my fast moving fade in and out, and the blink 2 times at the top. And then if I were to change my hold amount to 50, we could see a middle of the road fade. It's a little slower, and blinks 2 times at the top and the bottom. And then if we change that to 100, it'll go even slower. And you can see that there, blinks twice at the top, and then goes all the way back down, and blinks twice at the bottom. And finally I have number 5, so this is my custom code. What I have here is just a pretty simple fade in and out of outside LEDs and then the inside LEDs, and then they'll go in and out. And then I used the analog write function in order to do this, and I modified that code there in order to perform this